We keep pushing ourselves harder every day, trying to work faster, achieve more, and prove that we're not falling behind. But sometimes the very thing we're missing is not more effort, but a quieter moment to pause and improve. Today's story will show you that slowing down isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Stay until the end. I promise this story might change how you see productivity forever. In a quiet village, surrounded by a vast green forest, there lived a woodcutter named Aron. People admired him because he was always the first one to enter the forest and the last one to leave. He believed one thing very strongly: those who work the hardest will always win. So every morning, before sunrise reached the mountaintops, Aron grabbed his axe and hurried into the woods. He barely ate breakfast or spoke to his wife and child. His only goal was to chop more wood than yesterday. But as months passed, something strange happened. Even though he worked longer, harder, faster, he brought home fewer logs. The trees felt stronger, the axe felt heavier, his back ached. Frustration wrapped around his chest a little tighter each day. Whispers spread in the village. Aron is losing his strength. Maybe he's getting old. Those whispers only pushed him harder. He refused to slow down. He refused to look weak. One scorching afternoon, he struck a thick tree again and again, the blade barely scratching the bark. Angry and exhausted, he shouted, "Why is everything against me? I'm working as hard as I can." Right then, a traveler passed by. "You look exhausted," he said softly. "Long day?" Aron snapped back. "I have no time to talk. I must finish these trees today." The traveler noticed the dull, chipped blade, as tired as Aron himself, and asked, "When was the last time you sharpened your axe?" Aron frowned. "I don't have time to sharpen it. I'm too busy cutting wood." The traveler knelt beside him and spoke gently. "My friend, if you take a little time to sharpen your axe, you'll cut more wood with less effort. Hard work is admirable, but smart work is where real progress begins." Aron froze. The traveler continued, "You're not fighting the forest. You're fighting your dull axe." Then he quietly walked away. That evening, for the first time in a long time, Aron put his axe down. He sat outside, listening to the slow wind in the trees. He watched his wife cooking dinner, his child playing by the fire, and he finally remembered what it felt like to breathe. He picked up a sharpening stone and slowly began grinding the blade. With every scrape, a truth returned to him. I don't have to suffer to succeed. I don't have to rush to be worthy. Progress comes from preparation. The sharper the blade became, the clearer his mind felt. The next morning, Aron returned to the forest. He took one steady breath and swung. A clean cut, smooth, effortless. The tree fell faster than he could believe. That day, he finished his work early. He had time to rest, time to smile, time to live. And he realized, to move farther, I must take care of the tools that move me. Not just my axe, but my body, my mind, my skills, and my spirit. We rush through life chasing results, believing more hours mean more success. But the truth is, rest is not a waste of time. Learning is not a delay. Improving yourself is part of the work. Sharpen your mind with learning. Sharpen your body with rest. Sharpen your skills with practice. Sharpen your spirit with reflection and peace. Don't wait until exhaustion breaks you before you choose to grow, because sometimes the fastest way forward is to stop for a moment and sharpen the axe.